Hey guys, it's Rhino Films. I know I haven't been making very many videos in a long time, but new big update on the turtle tank. Went out today. There was a turtle tank that was, I don't know how many percent off, I think like 20. And it was a $40 turtle tank that we got. No, it was 50% because we got this 20-gallon long for $20, and my turtles love it. And I got the Costumist there. He's eating the algae. He wants to bite him. But yeah, there's like two. I have both basking rocks in here now. Moogie's kind of just chilling. Yeah, and the turtle tank used to be over there, but I switched my TV around, and yeah, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Got to get more decorations for it. I got new turtle food, these little thingies. Then I got turtle bone, that little thing right here. They've been eating this thing like crazy. But yeah, they seem to loving it. They seem to love it, sorry. Mugla is just chilling like a villain. We were actually worried about them getting stuck under there, so that's a fail. But yeah, I guess big update on my turtles. They're loving it. Say hi to the camera, Quincy. Okay, look away. But yeah, I got these two big rocks that I didn't used to have in there. I had one in there for that big one back there in a little bit of my videos, but yeah, I just put that one in there, rearranged it, got this big plant back in there, because took it out, I think, for a little while, and now we put it back. But yeah, they're just loving it, and we actually put this up like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, well, that's a big update on the turtle tank. Rate, subscribe, like, do whatever you want. I don't really care. Yeah, I kind of do care, but yeah. Say bye, Moogie. Say bye, Quincy. Say bye, Pete the Costumist and Mr. Mustachio. So, see you later.